Oh, hi. I just realized that Tuesday, March 1st, Shrove Tuesday, is also Pancake Day. So I went and got me a book that's got pancakes on the front, and I whipped me up some pancakes so I could have some for supper. Well, I didn't really whip them up. I took it out of the freezer and put them in the toaster, but it doesn't matter. Pancakes any time of day is awesome. So I'll eat my pancakes and see you in a bit. Hi, everybody. Welcome to Library Highlights with Mary. Today is the 58th day of the year. That sounds like we have an awful lot left in this year, don't we? We do. Anyway, I enjoyed my pancakes. I hope I inspired more of you to go eat your pancakes. Okay, let's get started. Library to Go magazines. Have you ever tried them? They're awesome. I love going and looking at magazines, and it's so much cheaper than having to go buy them. Anyway, let's watch a short video on how to use Library to Go on Libby.
Did you know the library has popular reader favorite magazines available digitally? That means you can download them anytime, anywhere, on your favorite devices with Libby, the library reading app. And best of all, there's never a wait list. Just check out a magazine and start reading. It's everything you've come to expect from physical magazines, with some added bonuses, including easy navigation, zoom, appearance settings, article view, and more. And with the Notify Me feature, you can sign up for alerts when new issues are available, so you'll never miss out. Whether you're traveling, fueling your imagination, commuting, getting in shape, looking to spice up dinner or your wardrobe, or something in between, the library and Libby have you covered. Download the Libby app to get started.
If you need help doing your taxes, be sure and come to the free tax workshop that's going to be held Wednesday, March 2nd at 5:30. You do need to register in advance. In our teens department, on Monday, February 28th, which is tomorrow, there's going to be a DIY that is clay art creations, and that's in the Glotzbecker room. And all of the DIY is from 6 to 8. And then on Monday, March 7th, they're doing a round robin style painting. That sounds like fun. And then on Saturday, March 12th, we have the Teens Writers Group. All of these require registration, and the link to those registrations are in the description of this video. The March Take It, Make It kit is quilling, and you're going to make these really cute little hummingbirds. Everything you see here is included in the packet, and there's directions on how to do it. Plus, I think there's going to be a video on how to do it that you can watch on our social media pages. So be sure and grab them. That's not until March 1st. Of course, that's not too many days away. I want to remind you about Full Steam Ahead and the Tween Book Club. They're on alternating Tuesdays, and the next Tween Book Club is the 1st, and the Full Steam Ahead is on the 8th. So be sure and register. There's always fun things to do. Then on March 2nd is Read Across America. And what we're going to do this year, the Children's Department will be giving away a small prize to every child who comes in dressed as a book character. So come in, let us see what you come up with, and get a small prize. Okay, guys, that's it for today. I hope to see you in a couple of weeks. Everybody stay safe and happy.